and we broke our resistant level, the psychological level below the $1. I told you last month we need to hold above this $1 level, because this is a set the incentive for the market for the next month to go higher. But unfortunately we went lower. So where are we gonna see the buying pressure, where the market maker will get in and buy cheaper prices, so we could actually capitalize on this information and this chance. Before we go and see this right prices to buy at, like and subscribe to my channel, check my Patreon for pre-market update, and if you want coaching one-on-one with me, how to trade and how to spot the right price value, and at the same time a Discord channel for discuss all the prices and everything about the stock. Check in the description below. So let's go right to the video. Like and subscribe as I said, and without BS, without editing, let's get right to it. And we can see here last video we did at 30th April, the price, I told you this is important, we hold above the $1. If not, we're gonna see the 0.89. And now as we can look here, we trading at the 0.96. Look with me closely, guys. This is good way to learn a bit about the psychology of trading and psychological prices. The moment last month we hold above the 30, look with me. At $1 we see a surge in the price last trading day in the last month. And then guess what happened? The market opened at the 3rd of May, the first trading day for May. We saw a big candle down, and this one took us below $1. That's why we were trending down on below our exponential average. Now from this scenario that happened, this is certain incentive for the market to go even lower after we get this massive rejection here, because a lot of put options were made around this technical area as we predicted before. And now what the price, you see a bit of buying pressure. This is a really good question, because what I see from our chart, the price will gravitate around the price value first at the 0.89, and here we can see a bit of buying pressure until we see our exponential average acting as a resistance. And if we still there's a more seller than buyer, we're gonna see a bounce again from this, and then if we can't hold this, we're gonna break it, guys. If we break it and we close here, this is a bad scenario that we don't want to see play through in coming days or weeks in this month, because this will take us again to do double bottom around the 0.72. The other scenario I can predict for ZOMEDICA, the moment that we go here, this is a really major turning point. We need a hold up above the 0.89 this week, at least this week, guys. The moment we bounce from this level and then test our exponential average and break at least from the 21 exponential average, I will tell you there's a bit momentum shift and buyers coming in, because this will play through as well. There's a scenario will play through for reversal trend. Even now, even we go here, we have a bit of the price will take a bit of time to go again test the $1.33, but at least we have the really healthy bounce from here, and then test our exponential average to go higher and bounce from this line and never go below our support here. This is give us a bit of fighting chance for ZOMEDICA here. This is really important price to note and to build our strategy on. And the other thing from the chart, some warning sign about the volume is dropping for the small picture below the 0, and a major shift for the big picture about the volume. We almost went over the 0 and the positive for the volume until we got the big rejection. If we close here, guys, this is the major move. As I told you, at $1.33, this is the major move for ZOMEDICA, and we can see even the $2 if we just went above the $1.33, and this is a perfect scenario. This is the perfect scenario if we just hold this line, and this line will go take us at a bit healthier this time to break this level. This is the healthy way to bounce from our ascending line, not just jump and gap like this to boom, break down. We need a consolidation phase, then we bounce from our line here to go to $1.33. This is really important. Guys, this is one of the thing trading one-on-one advice. Never jump in any price went like I don't know, like 50%, 30%, you name it. There's some stock yesterday, HCMC, everybody knows it. I think it went almost 50%. Then the same hour it went down, and we lost all the profit that we made, and we closed just in 10% profit. So if you know the resistance and the major rejection area, you protect yourself. You take a bit of profit to average down when the prices go down. If you a long holder, you can hold, but you know when you can buy again, so you never feel panic, because a lot of newcomers, new investors see the price go up, feel hyped, they buy at the top, then the price goes down, they sell. This is not good idea and not good strategy to have. So if you are interested in building strategy, you can check my Patreon, and weekly I do day trading at my channel here to try to make you guys to trade and hunt exactly like me, like Trading Jesus do. So without further ado, see you in the next update, and until next time, be patient and let's hunt.